Hey everyone, Bree here, and I am so excited to show you how to make one of my favorite scrubs, which is a pumpkin pie spice sugar scrub. So super easy to make. You may even have all of the items in your house. If not, you can certainly go to the store and pick up these items at a very low cost. They're very inexpensive. All you're gonna need is 4 simple ingredients: cane sugar, brown sugar. I like to use dark brown. You can use light brown if you'd like. Pumpkin pie spice seasoning that you can get out of the seasoning aisle of your grocery store. You're going to need a base oil. You can either use vitamin E oil or sweet almond oil. I like to use an unscented sweet almond oil, and so we'll use that in today's example, as well as some organic virgin coconut oil. And so the solid form is totally fine. Make sure that when you are putting this recipe or this scrub together, that you liquefy your oil before you start. Now, before we even get into it, I kind of want to explain the purpose of scrubs. And so scrubs are super important when it comes down to overall exfoliation, moisturizing of the skin, as well as it's just simply relaxing. And so I like to use this, especially a sugar scrub. It's a lot softer and easier on the skin. I can use it as a full body scrub as well as even a face scrub. Unlike a salt scrub, you probably won't want to use that on your face because it can be really harsh on your skin. So for the sugar scrub, again, you can use this as a full body, a face scrub, and even just a hand scrub after you've been washing dishes all day. That can tend to make your hands really dry, and so this is a great remedy for that. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I have 1 cup of my dark brown sugar here. Just gonna put this in a bowl. Next, I'm gonna take a 1/2 cup of our already liquefied coconut oil and just pour that in. Next, I'm just gonna take a 1/2 teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice. And since pumpkin pie is in season, wanna make sure that you get this. It's at a great price right now at the grocery store. And so just a 1/2 teaspoon of that. If you don't have pumpkin pie spice, feel free to use cinnamon. That'll work just as well. Next, I'm just gonna use my base oil, really good skincare oil. Again, you can use sweet almond or vitamin E. Another 1/2 teaspoon of that, and then we mix. So I'm just gonna use my spoon here, mix this up really nicely. And as I mentioned before, the purpose of scrubs is to really just to help rejuvenate and moisturize your skin. Especially if you wash dishes, we wash our hands all day, every day. So it's nice to moisturize our skin and make sure that we don't have rough, dry skin. And so this is really gonna help. I like to use a mason jar just to put all my scrub in there. I'm just gonna use my hand. It might get a little messy, but you get the point. All right, and that is all she wrote. Very simple, very easy to make sugar scrub, pumpkin pie spice style. Really is nice, a great moisturizer for your skin. Feel free to try it out at home. It's really easy and, like I said, very inexpensive. All right, so as you can see, I'm getting ready to wash my hands using some soap and hot water. Once I've got my hands nice and clean, then I'll go ahead and take some of my sugar scrub that we made. Just gonna put that all over my hands. And you feel it immediately, deep cleaning the skin. That coconut oil as well as that sweet almond oil makes your hands feel super soft as you rinse your hands. And that's it. That's how you use your pumpkin spice sugar scrub.